So now that you've got a line set up, we can now set up a shift schedule for that line. So in the Factbird system, you actually have the ability to view all of your data on a shift by shift basis. So you can start to analyze and compare different shifts. But in order to do that, you need to set up your shift schedule in the system so Factbird knows when different shifts are starting and stopping. So to do that, go to the line that the shift is relevant for, click on the 3 dots, and then click on this schedule button here. Once you click that schedule, let's set up a shift for the following week, for example. So we're now looking at this week, and we can start a new schedule by clicking over here. We then come down and click at whatever time that shift starts at. So let's set up a Monday day shift, for example. So you can say this shift is tutorial shifts, and the start day is Monday at 9 a.m. The end time is Monday at, let's say it is going to be 2 p.m. Create that, and here you can see that shift is blocked in the system, and that will repeat every week. So once that shift is set up on this line, if we click forward, you'll see that every week has that shift set up. Now, if you don't want that, let's say it's the holiday season and you want to set up an individual shift schedule specifically for that week, you can absolutely do that by clicking on this pink button over here to create a schedule only for this week. Once that is toggled on, you can edit all of the shifts in this week or create shifts in that week, but they will not be replicated in all of the future weeks. So that's how you can set up the easy shift schedule. But if you've set it up on one line already and you want to just import it to this line, you can click on this button over here to import a schedule, and here you'll see a list of all of the lines that you have in your system. And if you want to just copy over that shift schedule to this new line, you just click import schedule, click on the line you want to import the schedule from, and they'll automatically populate then in your system. So now that your shift schedule is set up, you can jump into the system to validate that these shifts are set up correctly and the data is coming through specifically for that shift. To do that, we recommend using the shift dashboard. So as you can see here, I'm on the live page for this line. You can come up here to the 3 dots and then click shift dashboard. Here you can see this 8-hour shift that's running from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. that we've set up in the system. And you can see the shift target that's been calculated based on the expected count in that time period on this line. So you can see here this shift has been set up properly, is running, and now you can start to understand your data on a shift by shift basis.